All right. This is an iPad case tutorial. Um, I think I made a tutorial on phone cases, which is a little easier to be honest. But for the iPad, I know I'm in Tinkercad, and the thing is, we're not going to have enough space on the 3D printer to print an iPad case. So the only way, I mean, you can see here, we have the device dimensions 214.9. So we'll do 214.9. Already you can kind of see that it's long. By 280.6. 280.6, 280.6. Okay. By, wow, 6.4. That's impressive. 6.4. Okay. So that is an iPad right there, more or less. The thing about this is, well, we can't print that big. The print bed is just not big enough, and neither is the height. So, but we have a solution. We can actually laser cut something to fit something of this size. How would we do it? Well, first, put in the dimensions like that, and now watch this. We're going to duplicate that, and we're going to scale it up a little bit. Okay? This is going to be the perimeter to our case. So that is going to be a solid. This one in the middle, and what we'll do is we'll drop that down a little bit. This one in the middle. It keeps selecting that. Okay, this one's going to be a hole. All right, you might be seeing what I'm about to do. So we're going to drop that down. Now, we're going to select both of these. This is a two-part process. And we're going to do this. We're going to just center the whole thing. All right. Now, this is going to come in handy later. We're going to duplicate this, and I'm duplicating the flat, the solid, okay? And we're going to move it over here. Now, this is the first piece, okay? We're going to group this whole thing together, and now this is going to go on top, okay? Now, this would go underneath, and we're going to export these as SVGs individually, okay? And I think there is a hole up here for a camera, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't know the size of the hole. It doesn't really matter for this, but it's something like that. And we drop that in, and you group those two together. So we select this, and we do a group. Okay, and you can probably start to see this is starting to look like an iPad case, maybe, if we do that. Right. The one thing you need to do is when you're exporting as an SVG, the solid object has to go halfway through the work plane. If it doesn't, like right here, this is getting cut by the work plane, this gridded area. If it doesn't export the SVG. So you'd export each of these pieces separately. We would cut this, we would cut that. If you wanted another piece that goes over this to like lock it in, we would cut that. And that's how you would laser cut an iPad case. Easily. Hopefully that helps.